Hello, I'm Derek Len from Hong Kong Electronics Company Limited, and our factory are in Dongguan, China, DB Song Electronics Company Limited, and our products is hi-fi, home audio, custom installation product, and many years ago, we many specialists in the passive audio products. Now we change to the passive, active loudspeakers, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and everything, including the smartphone control panel here. And if you learn more, please look through our website here. And any question, please contact me here. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.